Hi, I'm Osiri Wisdom. Welcome again to 100 Days of Wisdom. Today is day 33, and it says how to find your passion part 1. It's a two-part section. How to find your passion part 1. Many people have, desire to find their passion. They try different things. I'm going to mention to you about 8 or 9 things you can do today and tomorrow to find your passion. The first one is that there is something that you already have passion for. You need to find that thing. Something you already love to do. All right? Something that is already consuming you. You love to do it. There is something already you're doing. Maybe there is. And you have to look at that. Maybe you say, there's nothing really that is consuming that way. There's nothing I'm willing to pay a price for. There's nothing I'm willing to suffer for. And so there's no established passion for you. Okay, so you want to ensure that you capture the fullness of that full experience that you are expecting in your life. All right, there is something already that you are passionate about. Maybe you might ask your friends and they will show you. Number 2 is that what are the things that you research most or you read about the most? You see, research is a pointer to passion. I'm going to say it again. Research is a pointer to passion. Maybe you always research about fish, about agriculture, about education. There are different things you research about. That might be your area of passion because already something in you wants that thing to be a part of your life. And that's why you're researching it. That's why you're doing your best to be able to capture that and achieve that particular, aspect of your life. It's my joy for you to understand this. Number 2 is that what you're really researching on can be a pointer. Okay, that's very important. Then number 3 is that ask your close friends. Ask them to tell you the thing they think about you, what they think is your passion. Sometimes there's something you're passionate about and you may not even know it, okay, because you are too used to it or you do it that very easily. And so it's no longer becoming something strong for you, something amazing for you. And so you step into that place where you literally struggle over such kind of things. So ask your friends. They'll be willing to tell you, okay, let's say this is an area I think you have to, pay attention. Jesus at a point asked his disciple, who do men say I am? So he was trying to find feedbacks from other people. Sometimes you have to take what they call a back on a view of your life. In other words, try to detach yourself from yourself and then just look at an outsider view of you. And then it can give you an idea that you can begin to run with. The last one for today is that you have to brainstorm widely, think widely. Just keep thinking, be patient, but keep thinking of there is a way there must be something. So you brainstorm. And at the point of brainstorming, it's not for you to eliminate. Don't say, no, this is my passion. No, an idea comes to your mind, you kick it out. No, just document them. After a while, you see that you'll be able to narrow down to that core, all right, of what your passion is. It's my prayer for you that you will find your passion. I'll see you tomorrow as I share more other points on how to find your passion. Don't forget to join me every Saturday by 9 p.m. at Osiri Wisdom on Facebook. And join me. Let's discuss, let's share, let's ask questions. It's our interactive section. I cherish you and I value you.